Hello, Barbara Badalati here. I'm one of the three wise women of wellness, and we are all about spring and moving your body. And we've got some really great tips to keep your joints healthy. So, Carol, what's our tip, and what do we want to feature today?
Well, what I'd like to feature is called Biomega, which is fish oil. We all have heard about that. And it's for brain health, but also it's great for you if you're an exerciser because it helps with your cartilage, your joint health, muscle soreness, helps you recover from exercise better. What I love about it too, it's easy to take. It's a little gel capsule, but you know what? It's not so easy for me. Sometimes it gets stuck. So what I do is I put it in water, microwave, it all melts. I drink it down. Delicious. And guess what? No fishy smell or taste. And there's lemon in it. Those scientists are so smart about doing that. And so the other thing I like about it, which we all should like about it, it's pure. And it comes from tiny little fish, anchovies and sardines, so don't have a lot of PCBs in them. So even if there was a minuscule of it, the company, USANA, puts it through a distillation process so it's got hardly any PCBs, way below what's recommended for safety. So I'm excited about this product. Take it every day, one in the morning, one at night, and you will feel better as an exerciser. So Michelle, what do you got for us?
Yeah, for our joints, I think one of the most important things is what I'm modeling. You can always be moving. Can't you be doing this in the grocery store line? Shake your hips a little, maybe not this one. But anywhere you are, you can move, and that really warms up the joints. And we also have these collagen bars. Collagen really helps with the joints. And our collagen bars have 15 grams of protein, 8 grams of fiber, and of course that collagen, and they come in decadent vanilla and coconut flavors. Barbara, what have you got for us?
Okay, so everybody grab your glass of water, have a sip of water, because if you want your joints to stay healthy, you've got to lubricate them. And water is, water serves us in so many ways. Our bodies are made up of water, but it also is part of what helps our joints stay lubricated. And the other thing that I really love is USANA's Percosa. And it's so interesting because when I first started taking this several years ago, way back when, probably about 15 years ago, I knew it was important because of cartilage. Our cartilage does deteriorate as we age. And so I started taking Percosa. I just did one instead of the full dose of 3. But as I've aged, my knees have been a little bit more vocal. And so I increased my dosage, and my knees don't make any of those creaks and moans. And because I'm really keeping the cartilage lubricated with drinking water and using Percosa. And there's a vegetarian glucosamine with Marival, which is a proprietary blend. This is why we really want to feature USANA, because it is a pharmaceutical blend of ingredients. And that is one of the reasons that we bring you this information. We all have been using USANA and using the products as well as promoting these with our clients and customers for decades. Mm-hmm. And we're really, really proud of USANA and what it offers. And we wanted to be able to not only share tips that are so easy to do because we're all health educators, but also products that can keep you healthy and happy. And so thank you very much for spending some time with us. Drink your water, move your body, and take your supplements.
And eat your collagen bar. Bye, everybody.
Bye-bye.